Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a device that's blurring the lines between smartphones and professional cameras, the Vivo X200 Ultra. This isn't just another flagship phone, it's a photography powerhouse that could redefine mobile imaging. At first glance, the Vivo X200 Ultra showcases a sleek design typical of high-end smartphones. But what sets it apart is its compatibility with an external Zeiss-engineered telephoto lens, a feature traditionally reserved for DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. This optional add-on, priced at approximately Rs. 30,345, attaches seamlessly to the phone, enhancing its optical zoom capabilities. The X200 Ultra boasts a versatile quad-camera setup, a 50MP wide-angle lens, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a remarkable 200MP telephoto lens. With the Zeiss external lens, users can achieve an optical zoom range from 2.3 to 8.7x, effectively transforming the phone into a professional-grade zoom camera. This combination allows for focal lengths equivalent to 200mm and with digital enhancements, up to 70x hybrid zoom. Under the hood, the X200 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Its 6.82-inch 2K resolution display with a 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals, whether you're editing photos or streaming content, supporting 90W wired and 40W wireless charging, keeping you powered throughout the day. Enhancing the photography experience, the optional lens kit includes a specialized case with physical camera buttons, providing tactile control reminiscent of traditional cameras. This integration not only improves ergonomics but also offers a more immersive shooting experience for photography enthusiasts. Currently, the Vivo X200 Ultra is available exclusively in China, with no official word on international release plans. However, its innovative approach to mobile photography has garnered global attention, and many are hopeful for a broader launch. The Vivo X200 Ultra stands as a testament to the evolving landscape of smartphone photography. By bridging the gap between mobile convenience and professional-grade imaging, it offers a glimpse into the future of on-the-go photography. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a tech enthusiast, the X200 Ultra is a device worth watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this overview insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech deep dives.